complete body kit conversion for BMW 5 Series G30 to M5 look 2021-2023. You can see the bumpers are included with rear diffusers. Rear diffuser center is already painted gloss black. Bumper sponge, brackets, bumper grills, center bumper grill, plate holder, another brackets, center grill holder, inner bracket, painted radiator grill, show grill, gloss black, side steps, metal fenders, fender liners, inner plastic, set of 4 pieces, and smoke type exhaust tips. You can see already badges and the vent covers included for the fenders. Optionally, you can have also the hood. All right, guys, here we go. That's the kit. High quality PP plastic. This is made in Taiwan kit. Very, very nice finishing, very nice quality, very nice fitment. It's already coming primed. Washer lamp cover. This is tow hook cover. Red reflectors already included in this package. Here. So that's the package, that's the set. PP plastic, high quality.